Guys, you are not going to believe this when I say this. You are not gonna believe what I'm about to say. The oof sound is back. You might not believe me. The oof sound is really back. Just listen. Just listen. Guys, you heard that. You heard that, right? The oof sound is really back. There was actually this Twitter post about the oof sound that you might not believe about. But it's actually true. The oof sound is really back, which I'm actually really happy because I hated the other sound. But this is like, I literally prayed for the oof sound to come back. Like, oh my gosh, like, listen again. Awesome. Dude, shout out to Roblox for bringing back the oof sound. It was this is awesome. Thank you, Roblox. Shout out to Roblox.